Shout out to all my meme coin chasers. This is a bonus video for all crypto and Forex traders. I'm going to show you a secret way to earn money. I'll leave the link in the description for you to get access to this. This is an AI trading bot allowing you to choose what market location and risk level and your trade size and whether you want to trade overnight. These are the best setting to use when you start using this bot. You want to put it on both for market type. Your risk level, you want it as aggressive to earn the most. And you can choose to switch it at night to balance then aggressive during the day. Trade size, you want to keep it at 12%. And for overnight trading, you want to have that on. These are the best setting to use. Now to deposit, you click deposit and you can choose any cryptocurrency to send. Best is USDT. If you view the FAQ sheets, I'll show you later. But any crypto you can use. But to make things easier, you can click Telegram stars and withdraw instantly from your device. Also, there is a way to see your expected profits depending how much you put in. You can see the daily, weekly, and monthly gains. Once you're ready, you can click star and it will trade automatically for you as you gain profits daily. Now, to withdraw your money, you just need to click withdraw and follow directions there. Don't forget to click stop trading before you do this part to make it easier for you and to gain most back. Now, let me tell you about the referral process. Every time someone joins, you get 10% bonus of deposit they make. There is different levels your account can be on. Level 1, you trade up to 10 times a day with the required balance there and your profit is basic. Level 2, you trade up to 20 times and your profit rate is improved. Now, level 3 and 4, your trades become even higher and your profit as well. Level 4, you get support 24/7, and for level 5, you trade unlimited times with the highest profit with support and a manager. But if you invite up to 20 friends, you can get the special level where you trade 100 times and with the highest profit with bonuses and no required balance with exclusive 24/7 support and more. I'm gaining daily and my friends are too. There is a FAQ sheets for those that want to know how everything works, and you can thank me later.